I sold my Land Cruiser for $14,000 to buy NFTs. I'm spending the $6,000 profit I made off the Land Cruiser to invest into Marvel's first ever released NFTs. Marvel has released its first NFTs onto the app VV. VV has all the biggest first released NFTs licensing with big brands such as Disney, Warner Brothers, Sony, Cartoon Network, and much more. I bought the first ever released Amazing Spider-Man comic for $6.99, and they are now selling for over $1,000. Follow if you want to be kept updated and how much money I can make flipping NFTs.